In this video, I'll show you how to auto-reply to Instagram comments automatically using Pabbly Connect. Right now, I'm going to comment on this Instagram post. The moment I post this comment, within just a second, I have received a reply automatically. Now let's try that once again with another comment and see again I received an instant reply. But here's the interesting part that none of these replies are being sent manually by the profile owner. In fact, they don't even to touch their phone as they have used this Instagram comment automation that I have created by using Pabbly Connect. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this workflow from scratch. And you know what's even more interesting? That you can build this workflow along with me by using Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying the tool, if you find it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then you don't need to pay the regular price. Yes, instead use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get a high discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start the creation of this Instagram comment automation. Alright, so right now I am inside the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. Now this right here is the most important step of creating any automation, name as trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you need to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new comment on my Instagram post, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram for developers. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as new comment and clicking on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here. After that, it will ask you to enter the token. So for generating this token and getting this account identifier, you need to go towards your Meta for Developers account. So for that, search for Meta for Developers in a new tab and go inside the first link. After that, you will successfully come on the official page of Meta where you need to click on this My Apps option. After that, you will see all the apps. See, I have already created this apps before, so I'm directly going in this one. See, we have already created a separate detailed video of how you can set up this Meta for Developers account. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. Once you reach this page, you need to click on this use cases option. After that, just click on this customize button and this type of page is going to be appear in front of you where you need to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of generate access token. Just click on this option and click on this generate token. After that, just simply log in your Instagram account from here and you will successfully get the API token here. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. Now the next one is account identifier. You can get it from here. See, this is the account identifier token. So copy it from here and paste it in this field. After that, just simply click on this save button and see the connection is created successfully. Moving forward is the response format with three options, name as simple, advanced and raw. Here I am selecting the response format as simple and clicking on the save and send test request button and you will see I have received the positive response and it started waiting for the webhook response as well. So for getting this webhook response, I need to post a new comment on any post of my Instagram channel. So let's say this time I'll comment as interested here. After that, I'll click on this post option and you will see I have successfully commented. Now let's check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not, and you will see we have received a new response 4 seconds ago with the post caption, its link, account, also the comment as well that we have just posted. So this confirms that the connection between our Instagram account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, to generate a reply for each of the commenter, I'm going to select my first action application as OpenAI. Here I'm going to use OpenAI for generating a comment reply. After selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as generate response using text input. After that, I'll click on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and next it will ask you to enter the API token. So for getting this API token, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and there you will successfully get this token. So copy that token from here and paste it in this field. And one more thing, for generating this API token, token, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. I have already an existing connection, so I'm selecting this one from here. After that, I'll click on this save button and see the connection is saved successfully. Moving forward, here you need to select the GPT model. You will find out multiple types of model. I am selecting here as GPT-4o mini. After selecting the model, next you need to enter the prompt in this field to generate a comment reply. Here I have added. See, I entered this prompt by my choice. You can customize it. Now inside this prompt, I'm going to do the mapping of the comment that I have received from the previous application responses, that is this Instagram. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So here I'm going to do the mapping of the comment that is interested. Here it is mapped. Now what is mapping? See, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. See, every time a new person comments a different text, so for capturing each comment dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically based on the new comment, this will change. After that, the background processing mode I am selecting as immediate returns the full response right away, and I am not adding any maximum output token. You can add it here if you want to. After that, I'll click on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response, including the AI generated reply as well. As you can clearly see the reply, as that's awesome to hear. If you have any questions or want more details, feel free to DM us. We are here to help. So that's how easily you can generate a comment reply by using OpenAI. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now the setup of this application is fully completed. Moving forward, I'm going to select my last action application as Instagram for developers. Again, after selecting the application, the app event I'm selecting as reply to comment and clicking on this connect button. I have already created a new connection just now, so this time I am selecting the option as existing connection. After that, I'll click on the save button. Now in this comment ID field, I'm going to do the mapping of the comment ID from this Instagram responses. Here I have mapped, and next in this message field, I'm going to do the mapping of this OpenAI generated comment reply. So that's how easy it is. You can also add more message here if you want to. After that, I'll click on this save and send test request button, and you will see I have received the positive response. Now let's go back to the same post where we have just posted the comment interested. By refreshing it, and look at this, I received a reply on my comment exactly same that I have mapped here. So this confirms that the section step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. So that's how easily and simply you can create an Instagram comment automation by using Pabbly Connect. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. And this is just one example. By using the same tool, you can integrate thousands of other applications based on your own business use cases. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.